What's going on, YouTube? Back at it with another video. Look, we got us a horror short film, Morse Code by Alter. So you know this shit finna go crazy if it's by Alter. I'll be watching these little short films like, damn, I wish they was longer like a little short movie. But even though that's exactly what it is a short movie, but I want it to be long as a regular movie. But then at the same time, if I were to go watch a whole regular movie, bro, we'd be sitting here 3, 4, 5 hours. Think about it. Regular movie already like 2 hours long. Then you gotta add the time that I'm stopping and talking during the whole movie. Boy, that's gonna be like 3 hours long. Excuse me. But yeah, man. Before we get into this video, man, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn in post notifications on, and enjoy this motherfucking video, man. Cause if you don't enjoy this motherfucker, I'ma just stop doing them. Cause like, what's the point of doing it if y'all not enjoying them? You know what? Like. Right. Oh my granny, what's the point? So let's go ahead and get into it because I know y'all enjoy it. I'm your pusher man.
We used to talk through our windows.
Y'all used to talk through the window? A little freaky.
Myra didn't want to wake up her dad, so she made us use a code.
Ain't no way a motherfucker reading that from across the street.
This memory, why do you think it's coming back now?
I don't know. I never drove down as much as I should have. And now, after we sell the house, I won't see that window anymore.
So you feel like you're losing her again. Stephanie, I know losing someone to suicide can be hard.
Suicide?
And I know it's even harder to say goodbye.
I've said goodbye.
Have you deleted the voicemail?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Okay, look. Maybe, before you leave the house, it'd be a good idea to sit down and write Myra a letter.
They know y'all, nigga, that shit crazy. Therapy,
Right?
they know your ass coming to cry. That's a big ass fancy napkin holder. That's a big thick ass napkin holder. That shit look heavy than a motherfucker. For some napkins. Nigga, I would have had just the box right here that it came in. Bro, got napkin holders. Yeah. Designer shit.
Sit down and write Myra a letter. All right? You can say all the things you wanted to. Say goodbye.
I'll try.
Losing somebody to suicide is crazy, bro. Because, like, you can't get mad at nobody. You don't want to get mad at the person that killed themselves because, you know, you love them. You don't understand it. It's just like, that's just a tough predicament to be in because you can't go get revenge. Because, like, did nobody kill your friend or your sister or brother, whoever committed suicide? Did nobody go kill them? So you can't go get revenge. You can't find the answers. They didn't grow old and get sick. It was just like, they put you on a spot like, damn. Kind of make it feel like they being selfish because, like, why would you leave me here? But at the same time, you don't know what they going through mentally for them to do that. So it's just like, dang, suicide is so crazy to me. Growing up, I didn't understand suicide at all. I thought it was selfish. Definitely if you had kids, I was like, that's like, why would you kill yourself if you got kids? But then I got older and started being around people that tried to commit suicide or went through real deep depression, and they explained it to me, and I still didn't get it, but I kind of got a little bit more of an understanding of it now. But I don't agree with it. I don't think nobody should be out here trying to kill themselves. Like, it just don't sit right with me. Sold. Sold and golden.
Hey, Steph, this is Myra. Would you believe me if I said I'm calling from the basement? Knowing how scared we used to be.
Myra. I'm sorry. I didn't pick up. I could have.
No, don't blame that on you. One thing you can't do when it's suicide, you can't blame it on you. It's how she same shit happened to my dad. My dad was got a call from this lady, because the lady was like, I need to talk to you. I just need to talk to you. Out of all the people, I need to talk to you. But he missed the call, and then the lady ended up killing herself. But I mean, like, you can't beat yourself up for that at the end of the day, because like, they didn't kill themselves because of you. You just was a person that probably could have been there a little bit to help, but like, if they was gonna do it, they gonna do it, bro. Like, yeah, it's all that shit was gonna happen. Set in stone.
I could.
Definitely if you're not there.
Could have saved you. Hey.
Motherfucker, fuck around, click back one day, man.
I miss you.
Hold on. Don't do it, bitch. All the lights is fucking up. Don't go over there. Yeah, go. Yeah. See? You done run the damn devil out. You trying to write the dead. You done wrote the wrong motherfucker. Dang. See? Now they finna get on your ass. Them demons finna get on your ass. That ain't your sister. Your friend. It's finna get gowy. Them niggas got codes.
Hey, Myra.
Oh, that's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help Steph. There's people still living over there? I thought they moved. Like, you ain't even cross the street no more. That motherfucker's still blinking. You might as well just leave it alone. Not the Chuck Taylors. The way she slammed her shit down in every scary movie, if they got these specific Chuck Taylors on. These ones, the white ones or the black ones. The white ones if they high top, the black ones if they any, high or low. They die. They die or they start smoking cigarettes real bad and fall off and get hit by a train or something. Some shit like that. God dang, man, you got the deaths on. The deaf ones on. The I'ma die 23s. I might not live long 16s. Getting up out of there. Hold up. How is different rooms blinking? Hey, bitch, that don't scare you? Don't do it, bro. Big ass house. See? Don't end up in the dark. Don't do it. Didn't even have to. It's the devil. The basement? Are we for real right now? The basement, bitch? Like, you got everything telling you you not finna live long. There's too many red flags, and I understand your dead friend trying to talk to you from the dead, and it gotta be her because it's the only way it happened. But the way them lights was blinking, them lights wasn't blinking like it was her. It was blinking like somebody coming to trap your ass, and they know your trick. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. You need to live, girl. You need to live. Steady calling my phone. Leave me alone.
Hey, Steph.
Would you believe me if I said I'm calling from the basement, knowing how scared we used to be?
Stop it!
The way you swore that flashlight protected us. God, I miss that.
Stop playing this!
We couldn't take it anymore. We ran into my room and flashed those lights through the windows. Do you remember that?
Maybe it's stupid, but
I did that last night. Shined a light into your window.
Stop playing this!
Forgive me. Half expected you to flash back.
You know it's over with when a ghost mad at you. I didn't even know they had emotions.
it's your fault, Stephanie.
She didn't say that.
You could have saved me. You could have saved me, Stephanie.
I couldn't.
If you had just picked up. Where were you, Stephanie?
That's not what she said!
That's them demons. That ain't her, girl.
Failed me.
Light's gonna click off.
She just said bye.
So ain't nobody gonna die? So she basically fighting with her mind. She just beat that little depression. She had to let go.
I've been talking too long. All I really wanted to say was, this has nothing to do with you. I
Exactly.
need you to believe that someday. I love you, Steph. Bye.
Myra. Yeah. It's time to move on, girl. You gotta let that go and move on about your life. She's still there. She's with you. She's within. She's around. You'll feel it. Somebody should have died, though. Made it a little more interesting. Make it a little scary. I don't like that. I don't like how didn't nobody get cut open or nothing. Like, we didn't even get to get scared, y'all. It was good. It was good. It had a good little meaning to it, but like, I thought we was gonna get a little thrilled in here, you know? We wasn't. It happened for a little bit in the dark. But yeah, man. That's gonna be the end of this little short film, man. It's called Morse Code by Alter. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Keep them post notifications on. If you don't got them on, turn them on, man. Y'all keep God in your life. And if you're thinking about suicide, man, just know it is going to be better. I don't know if it's going to be better today. I don't know if it's going to be better tomorrow. But it's going to be better. You feel like shit always happened to me. Shit always happened to me. This, that. Just remember, God give the worst shit to his best soldiers. Because when you get older and you really understand this shit, it's going to be a lot of people that need you in life. And you're going to have all the answers for that shit. Because you done been through everything. So just know, all this shit is a test. Either it's going to break you or it's going to make you. Don't be the one to get broken. I'm gone. Peace. Y'all be easy. Love y'all. Keep a good heart. Do people the way you want to be done. I'm out of here.